Let's see how to light a space where I don't have windows or I have very small windows, so I don't have a light that comes from outside. In this case, I have to use artificial light sources. Okay, so let's do in this way. Now let's choose our 3D point of view. Okay, that could be this one. I click on the array. I deactivate the environment light and the sunlight. Okay, 3D viewpoint, and press OK. In this way, we will get a night effect. So we will see a room with very little light or almost dark. Okay, now I have my room, my dark room, and now let's see what happens inserting an artificial light source. So, for example, I could insert a light over this lamp. So, okay, here, in this case, I use quad lights. Here in the shared accessories, you find the folder lights, and in the folder you find the quad lights. The quad lights are luminous panels that light in a specific direction, downward, upward, frontward, and so on. So in this case, we will insert an upward quad light. We can position it here, for example. With a double click, I can choose the dimensions, for example, I don't know, 700 and 700. This is the dimension of the panel. The intensity, that could be, I don't know, 90, for example. I deactivate the area light because I don't want to see the luminous panel, but just the light that comes from it, okay? And press OK. So, and now we move this quad light over the lamp. Okay, let's see what happens. So we click here to update the scene lighting. Okay. Okay, here is it. Now we could insert a second quad light under the ceiling lamp. So I go back to my project from here. Let's take, in this case, a downward quad light, okay, and let's insert it under the ceiling lamp. Okay, double click. This could be 1 meter and 1 meter. The intensity could be 100. It could be fine. I deactivate the area light, press OK. And now I move it in the center of the two ceiling lamps. So move elements and from here to here, more or less. Okay, now let's update the lighting scene. Okay, here is it, the second spot, okay? Now, if I want to increase the diffuse light of the scene, okay, I can position a quad light behind the point of view. That is, I can position a quad light here, okay, just to have some more diffuse light in the space. So let's insert. In this case, I need a frontward quad light. Let's place it here. Now I can scale it from here to here. Okay. With a double click, we can change the intensity. In this case, don't use a very high intensity. 20 or 30 could be enough. We deactivate the area lights again. Okay. And we can also move it a little bit from the wall, for example, from here to here. Okay, and now let's update the scene again. Okay, here is it. Now our room is has a good light, and in this way I can reproduce any kind of lighting for any kind of room.